Hello, welcome. So in this video, we'll be looking at common challenges most people face in starting online business. And if you understand this, you need to deal with it for you to actually do online business. And mind you, the aim of this course is to make you do online business using your mobile phone. But there are certain challenges people face, common challenges. I've been a victim of this challenge, and if not all, but most people face some of this challenge. Now, the first challenge is your mindset, fear of uncertainty. You don't know what the outcome will be. Fear to fail. You don't want to fail. You're afraid of failure. Fear to give it a try. Fear of what people will say. So your mindset is important. You must deal with your mindset. You must deal with the mindset of fear of the unknown, fear of failing, fear of doing something the first time, fear of what your friends will say. You are now doing this or you're doing that. So your mindset should be put right or set right. And at times, fear of being scammed. Some people, due to previous experience, they are afraid of trying anything online business. So yes, even though you were scammed some time ago, it does not mean there are no real people. There are no legit people. There are no legit businesses. So you must put those fears aside. Then you must deal with inconsistency. Inconsistency is one thing that kills most online business owners. We are not consistent. Now I'll be showing you some certain things. I will be teaching you. Mind you, this is just these videos that you're watching now is to prepare you for the main deal. So when you get into the main deal, you need to be consistent. Inconsistency has killed a lot of online business owners. They will start today, and they will start getting attractions and they're getting known online, and suddenly they stop. They are off today, they are on tomorrow. So you need to kill inconsistency. You also need to kill procrastination. Now procrastination has actually dealt with people. Now after learning this, you not tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start the next day. You are giving yourself reasons why you cannot start now, why you cannot take the first step now. You need to kill it. You need to deal with procrastination. Not just procrastination of starting, but also procrastination when you are in the deal, when you have started. Along the line, you may be required to do certain things for your business to take a leap, and you'll be procrastinating. So you must kill procrastination. Then you must deal with get rich quick syndrome. Now, when you get started, you'll be seeing flashy offers, even in that same line, even in that same direction, even in the same niche that you will choose, that area of online business that you want to go into. You will see flashy shortcuts. People will come up with shortcuts on how to make it quick in that area. You must be disciplined enough not to follow those shortcuts and follow the right way. So all this get rich quick syndrome, you must deal with it. Then you must also deal with perfect time and big capital syndrome. Now one challenge people face is that they don't have money, or they are waiting when they will have big money. You must deal with it. When I started my online business, I started far back then, quite some time ago, with around 15,000 naira, which then was about $100 then. But now dollars have increased. Yes, I started way back 5 to 7 years ago. So but right now, you should not wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. That little capital that you have is now. And besides, what we'll be showing you will not require too much capital. Don't fall victim of perfect time syndrome, big money syndrome. I will have a big capital, I want to start big. Don't fall for that syndrome. Then another challenge people need to deal with is challenge of bossship, my own boss syndrome. Now you want to be your own boss, you now ignore mentorship. See, the truth is that mentorship is costly. It may cost you money to buy that video course. it may cost you money to attend that event. But if you can sacrifice, because you really want to make money online, if you can sacrifice that money, it will save you a lot of stress. This is a challenge people have in making money online. They want to do it their own way. When you do it your own way, you will encounter challenges. But when you have a mentor, the person will help you, show you those challenges ahead of time, and you will overcome. Now, for example, if it will take you 1 year to make your first money as an online entrepreneur on your own, scratching everything on your own, doing everything, doing trial and error on your own, with a mentor following the instructions, you may make your first money between 3 to 6 months, thereby saving you the stress of you even thinking of dropping the whole thing. So kill the boss syndrome. If you want to be your own boss, you don't want to take instruction. If you can deal with these challenges, you will make money online faster. It will be easier for you to make money. You will overcome the hurdles that comes with making money online. Every niche, every online business has its own peculiarity, its own challenge, its own roadblocks. But mentorship will help you overcome those roadblocks ahead of time. It will give you age of your peers that you started at the same time with. So if you can deal with these 6 things I just mentioned, you will definitely make money online the legit way, and possibly the easier way. It will save you some stress and some challenges. So these are the things you need to deal with, and I hope you understand them. See you in the next video.